Hey guys, over here we have Audi Q3 8U and I'm going to show you how to replace fog lights, front fog lights over here. There's an H11 bulb and over here I have a replacement, LED replacement, which I'm going to check and review in one of the future videos. But today I'm going to show you how to access the bulb over here in this car to replace it if the bulb is broken, if it's blown. So you will need something to remove this plastic cover over here. I'm using a hook which looks like this. There's a little hole over here which I'll show you in a minute, and you will use it to remove this plastic cover. And then you need a T25 torx drive to remove the light assembly to access the bulb. Okay, so let's get to it. And now all we need is to remove the old bulb like this and replace it with the LED and put it back together. And now all we need to do is turn on the headlights, turn on the fog lights, and let's check if the bulb is working. And it is. Okay, so I will do the same thing to the other side, but that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, subscribe for future ones, and see you soon.